quite a large job that we're going to be tackling for about the next month. I've already made a little start, but I'll take you through what's happening, where we are. So this is, as you can see, this is the ground floor flat. Quite high ceilings. This is a massive room. This is actually the bedroom, and it's unreal how big it is. So my job is to basically paint everything or repaint everything and install the new kitchen. I've already ripped out the old kitchen. It's over here. Oh, this is the living room. We're going white everywhere. White. I've already sort of almost finished in here. Got some touching up to do. But this is a small bedroom. Got the glosswork still to do, but you can see got some caulking to do and another coat in here. But go through here, back in the living room. Here's the kitchen. I already ripped out the old kitchen. It was just a mismatch of units and things, and so Howden's have been, they've designed a new kitchen and I'm awaiting delivery of that today. And doing through this small sort of utility corridor into the bathroom, which is also going to get all ripped out and have the suite replaced, and we're going to clad the walls. So one of the biggest concerns that I had with this was on the decorating end, and as you've probably noticed as I've been walking around, you'll see these beautiful doors. I'm coming home, the skirts, they've all been glossed black, and it's shiny gloss.
In a white room with black curtains. I'm coming home, Newcastle. Woohoo!
So, where are we at? Well, first coat everywhere, primer on the gloss, primer on the windows. I've been back round in here, I've done a couple of touch-ups, a few more bits and bobs to do. Probably start on the glossing in here next. I have decided to pull the doors off, put them in the kitchen, because in the kitchen we're going to be replacing the flooring and doing the probably tiling the walls and painting, etc. So I'm going to use this as a bit of a spray booth for the gloss on the doors. Try and push things along a bit quicker. When you're in the end of day one, I'm just glossing in on this this window reveal here, and if you look at the contrast between the UPVC window frame and the glosswork I've just done around, that's been primed with the Zinsser and just been glossed over now. Has to be said, done it. Zinsser 1, nicotine, nil. Need to get these all cleaned up. I've got some UPVC cleaner and all these bits of paint scraping off and that, and it'll look right.